I have 4 legs and a big round body. I say moo, and I'm never naughty. What am I? I'm fluffy and white, with a coat so neat. I love to graze on grass and bleat. What am I? I have 2 pointy horns upon my head. I love to climb and jump instead. What am I? I have a curly tail and a snout so wide. I love to roll in the mud. It's my pride. What am I? I have a long mane and a tail that sways. I run fast and pull carts in many ways. What am I? I have big ears and I'm known to bray. I carry loads and work hard every day. What am I? I am small and fluffy, just hatched from my shell. I chirp and peep, in a cozy little dwell. What am I? I have feathers and a bill that's flat. I love to swim and quack, just like that. What am I? I am large and have feathers so bright. On Thanksgiving, I'm the star of the night. What am I? I have long ears and a fluffy tail. I hop around and my speed doesn't fail. What am I? I am a bird with feathers so white. I honk loudly as I take flight. What am I? I am big and strong with horns on my head. In fields and pastures, I love to tread. What am I? I lay eggs that are small and round, with feathers so soft and a clucking sound. What am I? I have a colorful comb on my head, with feathers so bright, I'm easily spread. What am I?